I'm here with Martin today, trying to find a problem with the pipe. We dug a hole in front of the house, and as you can see, I'm gonna aim it down to that pipe. You see there is like a little water is shooting out right there. So from this pipe here, there is water is shooting out. Now the water was going to the basement. I'm taking some pictures for her so she knows where it is. See, right here. So yeah, so that's good because he fixed this little leak here, so the water will not come in the basement through the wall. That's it here, and this is above the, I'm gonna back it out a little bit. So this is the laundry window right there, and right below it, that's where the main water comes in to the house. We just dug a hole, and right there, he's just waiting for the water in the pipe to finish it so he can fix it. Okay, I'm gonna put it on hold now. I'm finished.